In this video, we're gonna learn how to use effects on CapCut. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. Now simply open up a new project or select the project that you already created. After you select the video, you'll see on the bottom various options and you'll also see an option of effects. You can easily tap on it. Now you'll have again two options, the video effect and the body effect. So if you have a person on the video, you can also use the body effect. If you don't, you can only use the video effect right here. You can choose from different options. You can just check them out and see the one that you like. Once you have selected the effect, you can again tap on adjust and adjust the speed, intensity and other stuff. After you're done, tap on this tick mark on the top and there you go. Now once the effect has been added on the bottom, you can see this is a layer. It has been created. You can extend it to however long that you want. So that's how easily you can use effects on CapCut. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.